sailing on Monterey Bay.
Pretty.
It really is beautiful. Look down on the coast. Off towards where we're staying. Here's Flashy the dog. What do you say, Flash? What do you think, huh? Yeah, you're not that crazy about it out here. That's how you are. Oh, we got birds diving for things. We got steamer lane over there. It's beautiful sailing here today. Yeah, our vacation is going to be drawing to a close. Very nice out here today. Standing out there. Beautiful Montgomery sailboat. There's my group sailing along. There you are, Flash. Hi, beautiful girl. Oh, it is lovely here. That's over where we're staying right there.
Yeah, it's a nice thing.
We've got otters. There's an otter. He's looking right at us.
Otter Flashy.
Yeah, he's right there, Flash.
See his little face?
See otter.
Oh,
There he is. He went under.
Are we supposed to be in?
No. Dog coming in. Having a good time out here?
Yeah.
Very pretty. It's a boat that's got an awful lot of passengers on it. Look at that.
Oh,
Must be
yeah.
20 or 30 on there. 20 of them. But it's big. Whatever that is. Coming out with a reef sail. It's lovely out here. What do you think, Flash? This is the boat we're going to race for the day out there, coming towards us. So we head in towards the harbor. Here she comes.
That is a pack.
That really is a packed house on that
How
boat.
many people they have on there?
Yeah. Looks like they're coming out under jib alone.
We're not running into them.
We won't. Don't worry.
I think we get the worst of that.
We would get the worst of that. That'd sink us.
The
That
Chardonnay.
Chardonnay too. Coming out under jib alone. Yep. There they are. That's a charter. They are coming in, Flashy the dog. Yeah, coming in. Oh, honey, did you have a good time out there?
I did. Did you?
Yes, I certainly did. It was a beautiful sit. There's the harbor mouth behind us.